Welcome to the video on what is an import transaction and Brexit impact on VAT reporting with VAT services on Amazon. We will be covering these two critical topics in this video. Let's go through each in detail. 1. What is an import into the EU and in which countries it takes place? Goods are imported into the EU when they are physically brought into an EU country from a country which is located outside of the EU. For example, when goods are shipped from China into the EU, this will be an import. The country of importation is usually the country of the first physical entry of the goods into the EU, and this may be different from the final destination country depending on the movement of the goods. An example of this may be when the first port of entry of the goods is Germany, but then the goods are subsequently shipped into Italy. In this case, the country of importation for VAT purposes is Germany. Import VAT is payable on the import of the goods to the customs authority in the country of importation. The rate of import VAT due will be the same as would apply if the goods were supplied locally in the country of importation. If you are acting as the importer of record, you will receive documentation from the customs authority, known as a customs bill. This document contains all the relevant information about the goods that are being imported, including the VAT rate and the amount of import VAT paid. Some countries will also provide you with a summary of all your import VAT paid for the VAT return period, where you can find the name of the company, the VAT registration number of the company, the period to which the list relates, and the list of all import VAT payable for that period. The customs bill, which you will receive for each individual importation, is standardized across the EU, so the information on the document will be the same regardless of which EU country you import your goods in. It will contain most of the information that you need to provide in the additional VAT report to report your import transactions. 2. Brexit impact on your VAT reporting. The UK has now left the EU, and there is now a customs border between the UK and EU, impacting businesses trading across the border. There are two major changes on VAT services on Amazon in terms of reporting transactions post-Brexit. 1. The flow of sales, refunds and credits should now be considered as an export-import flow, where the export is 0% rated. For example, a sale transaction on Amazon from France to a customer based in UK will only be reported in the form of 0% export sale from France. You can visit our help page to learn how to report these types of Amazon off-Amazon transactions. Brexit and UK VOEC impact on your VAT reporting with VAT services on Amazon. If you are acting as an importer of record, you paid import VAT and want to reclaim VAT. Ensure that you add accurate information about your import sale transactions to the additional VAT report. Cross-border inbound will be converted into import transaction. For inbound transactions from outside the UK, goods will cross the border, thus import VAT should be paid at customs. Therefore, such cross-border inbound will be converted into import transaction. For example, inbounds from ES to Amazon FC in UK will be surfaced as imports to UK. You should have the VAT import documentation that proves the amount paid. Please ensure that the import VAT amount paid and other transaction details are correctly populated in the additional data file. VAT services on Amazon does not automatically include in reporting the outbound movement from EU, even in case this is a subscribed country, due to insufficient information on these transactions. We kindly ask you to ensure that any export transactions in this respect are uploaded through the additional VAT report. That wraps up our video on what is an import transaction and the Brexit impact in your VAT reporting with VAT services on Amazon. Thank you and happy selling!